That's not really easy to read. Okay, now it's way better. Many surveys confirm that people are 80% more likely to read content that includes images or pictures. Exploit this to promote your business. Discover an extensive source of marketing assets related to SATEL products on SATEL Support Service. You can create an account and use all its features completely free of charge. Log in and navigate to the Marketing Support tab. Then select Visual Content from the list. Filtering helps you find the specific content you're looking for. You can narrow the search results by product groups, file types, languages, product names, or by file format. Want to take a closer look at one of the pics? You can easily preview each file. When you select the assets you wish to download, the site automatically compiles them into a single package, which you can download with one click. Choose from over 1,000 of pictures and animations ready to be posted on websites, social media, or use them to create high-quality pamphlets and offer documents. Go to support.satel.pl and create a free account to gain access to marketing support, technical support, and educational materials. SATEL Support Service, where the professionals are. SATEL, made to protect.